Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the image AI and confirming access. This matters because models vary in style and limits. Once done, load 3 reference images and note 5 visual attributes you want copied, like color palette, mood, or texture. Next, set output size and format so you avoid reprocessing later. Make sure to write a short initial prompt describing subject, style, and composition. This first prompt establishes the direction the model will follow. You now refine prompts and parameters to shape results. Include descriptors like lens type, time of day, or artist reference to guide style. Then adjust the guidance or CFG scale to control fidelity, lower for creative freedom, higher for literal accuracy. Once you have baseline settings, run 3-5 variations, changing one element at a time so you can see effects. Keep a simple log of each prompt and parameter set, because that record speeds up final selection and repeatable outcomes. You finish by choosing the best output and doing light edits, cropping, color grade, or slight retouch, so the image reads cleanly. If you see artifacts, go back and lower the prompt strength or increase resolution, then rerun the generation. That usually fixes odd distortions. Finally, export and back up the final file and save the exact prompt plus parameters so you can reproduce the result later. One troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, simplify the prompt and reintroduce details stepwise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.